welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ, and today's video is going to be a review on the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation. So if you would like to see a review on this product, make sure you keep on watching. Also, if you're new to this channel, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you hit the notification button so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so as I already said, this is going to be a review on the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation. That is a mouthful. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of the specs about this, and then I'm going to do the review. So I got this off Amazon for $8.44. I know they do sell it at Walmart and they sell it at CVS. They may sell it some other places, but those are the two that I've seen it at. There's like 40 different shades, so it's a very huge variety, so hopefully there's one for everyone. I do know that for the darker shades there's only 10, so hopefully like everybody would be able to find something around their shade to fit them. So I got the shade D70, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be too dark because I like my foundation to be orangish. And I did get a tan when I went to Mexico. Check out my Mexico vlog. But I did get a tan, and I think I kind of overestimated how much of a tan I got. Because I think when I saw it in the store, I think I was going to be like D50 as my normal shade. So D50 is a warm color, so the next warm shade was D70. But I think it might be too dark, so we're going to find out. Yeah, so this is, according to this, it doesn't really have too much about what the actual formula is. I'm guessing it's going to be matte, and it's supposed to last 12 hours. So I'm going to try and put that to the test. I don't know if I'm going to be able to wear it for 12 hours straight because right now it is like 4 something, and I don't know if I'm going to be wearing this till 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to try this out for as long as possible and just give you guys my thoughts on it. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my face. I'm not going to use a primer. One, because I know they came out with like 4 different primers, but I didn't get one, and I would really want to test it with one of their primers. And 2, some people don't use primers, and I'm just going to test the foundation itself. Because, you know, sometimes they act different with primers, so I'm just going to test the foundation itself. I'm going to use the e.l.f. foundation blurring brush to do this foundation. It is a pump. I know a lot of people love pumps, so that's a good thing. Alright, I put like 1.5 pumps. This is how much comes, so just this little dot. Just this little dot came out with 1.5 pumps. So I'm going to try and see how much that covers, and then if I need more, I'm going to go in with more. I don't know if you guys just saw that, if the camera just picked that up, but like it really just blended into my skin. So this actually covers really well. If you've been keeping track of my skin journey, you know that I've had a lot of hyperpigmentation, but it's been going away really well. So I don't really have that much to cover, but the things that I did have to cover, it looks really good. Like it really looks really good. So just bring it down as best as possible. Put it on my mustache and just gonna blend it right here. This is a really good shade match, I think. Like this just blended into my skin. So I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back once I'm done. Okay, so I'm officially done with all of my makeup. I think this is all I'm about to do today, something real basic. Excuse this white eyeliner. I tried something new. I don't think I like the way that looks, so if I look crazy, it's the white eyeliner. Right now it is 5:30. So far this foundation looks really good. The only thing that I do notice is that a lot of the texture in my skin is being more pronounced than it usually is, but I think if I would have used a primer, especially a blurring primer, then that wouldn't have happened. So far I think everything looks really good. All of my makeup products went on really nicely on it, and everything looks good to me. So I'm going to come back at the end of the day before I wash this off, and I'm gonna tell you guys how it does. And I'm not going to touch my face at all. I'm not gonna blot it, do any of that. So I'm gonna let you see how it wears when I take before I take it off. Okay guys, so right now it is 12:50 in the morning, so it's pretty much 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'm coming to you guys to give you my overall impression of this foundation. I've had this foundation on since 4:30-ish, but I didn't finish my makeup until 5. So I'm just gonna say that I've been wearing this since 5 o'clock. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So I've worn this for 7 hours. It's supposed to be a 12-hour foundation. I'm not gonna wait until 5 o'clock in the morning to give you a final review on it. So I think I got pretty close to wearing it for 12 hours though. So far what I noticed, and again I'm looking down at the mirror, I'm oily in some places, like it's just greasy looking, and the only reason I say that is because other areas of my face are pretty matte, but like all right here is pretty oily, and I don't know if it's because of my concealer or if it's the foundation, but I do see it, and it's like where I'm oily at, all my pores are defined. Like you can see each pore in my face. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's all right here and on my nose. But from what I can tell, like this part of my face, it looks really matte, and even the parts that's oily, it doesn't feel like it's greasy, it just looks greasy. So it all still feels very, very matte and very comfortable, but I mean I can see it. What else? I also wanted to note that the coverage is still pretty good. Like I don't really see any of like the hyperpigmentation and stuff that I was covering earlier. Like it still looks like it's still giving the same amount of wear. Like I don't see any of the foundation moving, which is really good. The only thing that I can say that I don't like is this color. I don't know if it picked up because of the light, but when I was wearing it, the foundation looked fine, but as I've already told you guys, my face is way darker than my neck, so I like to use orangier foundations because it kind of gives a good balance between my face and my neck. Kind of matched my face, but it's not matching my neck at all, so it's making my face look real muddy compared to my neck. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but I don't think the camera's picking it up because of the lighting, but it looks really muddy on my skin just because of the color. But I think it's just, if I pick another color, I think I'll be fine. Like if I was to continue using it, I would just need to mix it with a lighter color so that way it can be the color that I want. But other than that, the foundation is really doing just fine. I don't think it oxidized or anything. I just feel like, because I feel like it's the same color that it was, I just feel like it looks kind of flat now that it's settled into my skin. It's kind of dulling me out, which is because of the color. My overall opinion of this foundation is to make sure you actually look and go to the store and physically see what shade you're picking up. I chose it off Amazon and I looked at swatches online, so I didn't really get to choose a color based off like me seeing it. I just chose it because I figured I would be around this range. So definitely go and see which one that you need. I definitely think if I would have got this shade that I think that I am, I would have been fine. I don't know if you could wear it for 12 hours because I'm kind of oily right here, so I don't know, my whole face will probably be oily in 12 hours. But I definitely think that it is worth a go. I mean, it's only $8. Definitely think that there is room for improvement. But so far, the only issue that I have is with the color. Nothing that they did, it's just how I chose it. That is my opinion on the product. Make sure you like this video. Make sure if you've tried this product or plan on trying this product, leave a comment below. And if you've tried it, let me know how your experience went. And make sure if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And I hope you guys found this video interesting enough to subscribe to me. So of course subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button also so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video.
And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate it so much. So I'll see you guys in my video next week.